Welcome back students to the part 3 of cell structure and function video. In this part we are going to study about structure of an animal cell in great detail. On the left hand side of the slide you can see the internal structure of an animal cell, whereas on the right hand side the name of each part of this animal cell along with the memorable phrase with a very brief description about each part has been given. So let us start studying about each part one by one. The first one is plasma membrane. This is the cell's fortification. It separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. Next we have cytoplasm. It is called as cell's environment. It is a fluid part enclosed by the membrane and it contains other cell organelles. The third is nucleus. Nucleus is called as cell's brain. It contains most of the genetic material in the form of DNA. Fourth is endoplasmic reticulum. It is called as cell's pipe system. The part of endoplasmic reticulum which is involved in metabolic processes is smooth ER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, whereas the one involved in protein manufacturing is called rough ER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. After that we have Golgi apparatus. This is called as the cell's delivery center. It tags vesicles and proteins to help them get carried to their correct destinations. Centrosomes are called as cell's anchor. They organize and produce the microtubules of the cell's cytoskeleton. Then we have mitochondria. Mitochondria is called as the cell's power plant. It produces energy for the cell. It also breaks down the carbohydrates and some duration lipids to form the molecule ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate molecule. After that we have ribosome. Ribosomes are cell's factories. They translate RNA into proteins. Lysosomes. They are called as cell's stomach. They are basically the vesicles which are filled with digestive proteins. They can absorb something and break it down into recyclable pieces. Then we have peroxisome. They are basically the cell's firemen. Vesicles that defend or neutralize the cell from free radicals are called as peroxisome. Cytoskeletal. It is cell's shapelifter. It modifies the cell's shape and ensures mechanical resistance to deformation. Last but not the least, we have vacuoles. Vacuole is called as cell compartments. They are enclosed storage vessels which are filled with water containing inorganic and organic molecules. With that we move to the activity titled See the World of a Cell Inside an Onion. Some of these steps of this activity are given on the left hand side and the microscopic picture of the sliced onion is given on the right hand side. The tools used here are microscope, slice of onion. An onion has been sliced and placed as a sample under a microscope. One was able to zoom in into the sufficient degree of detail to see the cells alone. If zoomed more deeply, the nucleus of each cell could be seen as a shadow dot. Summary. All cells have the same basic structure. They are all surrounded by a cell membrane and contain cytoplasm and organelles. Cells have different sizes, shapes, and structures in order to carry out specialized functions. Mitochondria release chemical potential energy in the form of ATP molecules for the cell during cellular respiration. Ribosomes are important for protein production. Cytoplasm is used for storage and circulation of various materials. Endoplasmic reticulum, on the other hand, transports substances from one part of the cell to another. The Golgi body modifies, secretes, packages, and distributes various organic molecules, that is, proteins and lipids, around the cell. Vacuoles are used for storage. In plant cells, these are large, whilst in animal cells, if present, are very small. Lysosomes are mainly found in animal cells. Centrioles, on the other hand, are only found in animal cells. The cell wall is found only in plant cells and is made up of cellulose. The cell wall gives the plants shape, support, and protection. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the updates about the upcoming videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy the video.